I would like to welcome you to the Graduate Research Virtual Open Day session. Before I begin my presentation, I would like to introduce about myself. I am Dr. Rakesh Naidu, Associate Professor of Biochemistry at Jeffrey Chia School of Medicine and Health Sciences. My research interest is on cancer, and I've been working on cancer research for about 20 over years. My expertise is in cancer therapeutics and molecular oncology. I'm also the leader for cancer research strand in the school. In this presentation, I will take you through cancer research that is being carried out in the school. Cancer is a major health problem that affects population in the whole world and Malaysia. In Malaysia, cancer remains as one of the leading causes of death, and number of new cases are always increasing yearly. Currently, various therapeutic options are available for treatment. One of those is chemotherapy. However, almost all chemotherapeutic drugs used to date have cytotoxic, often results in patients suffering from serious side effects. Therefore, there is a need to develop and identify potential compounds that are potent with lesser side effects, and this will improve the quality of life of these patients. There are two research areas that we are focusing on. The first is cancer therapeutics, led by myself, and the second is nanomedicine, led by Isarul Haq. I will go through briefly what we do in cancer therapeutics and nanomedicine. In cancer therapeutics, our research focus is to identify and develop compounds or biomolecules that are able to improve the treatment of cancer patients. Currently, we are working on daralpentanoid, an analog of curcumin. I'm sure you have heard about curcumin, which is one of the components of turmeric that is being used in the diet. Daralpentanoid is derived from the chemical modification of curcumin structure with improved pharmacological and also therapeutic properties. The other natural product that we are focusing is snake venom, which consists of a mixture of compounds that is used to kill and mobilize its prey, which could be as a potential source of potential anti-cancer agents. The other group works on nanomedicine, focuses on nanoparticles as carriers for small molecule drugs and new generation molecules, for example, genes and proteins to be delivered into the cancer cells. In this slide, I will walk through some of the ongoing as well as upcoming projects in cancer therapeutics and nanomedicine. Our ongoing research projects in cancer therapeutics focus on anti-cancer activity of daralpentanoids as well as venom proteins from Malayan pit viper and Malaysian common cobra against human cancer cells such as breast, prostate, lungs, colon, and glioblastoma. The purpose is to understand the underlying mechanisms that leads to killing of cancer cells. In the upcoming projects, we'll be evaluating selected daralpentanoids and venom proteins in animal models. In addition, we also plan to explore anti-cancer activity of combined curcumin or daralpentanoid and selected chemotherapeutic drugs in human cancer cells. The purpose of drug combination is to target cancer cells that are resistant to chemotherapeutic drugs. In nanomedicine, the current ongoing project focuses on the development of hybrid nanocarrier system which are able to efficiently deliver anti-cancer drugs and other biomolecules into cancer cells, which is believed to be superior compared to the earlier nanoparticles. The upcoming project focuses on the hybrid nanocarrier system to deliver these biomolecules into breast cancer cells in an animal model. How does this research has an impact on the community and also benefits the patients? As we know, chemotherapeutic drugs are toxic. They weaken the immune system and increases patients' susceptibility towards infection. Secondly, cancer cells develop drug resistance during chemotherapy, which further complicates the treatment of cancer. Therefore, developing and identifying anti-cancer compounds or proteins that are potent and target to specific cancer cells with minimal side effects, at the same time able to increase the survival rate as well as reduce the recurrence rate. And this will definitely improve the quality of the cancer patients. Okay, we would like to welcome you to be part of the cancer research team in Jeffrey Chia School of Medicine and Health Sciences. If you have any questions, I will be glad to answer them. Thank you.